here is where the magic happens, and I have had some problems with vibration underneath the passenger seat. So I went and purchased some sound dampening material. It's a really thick rubber type of material that has sticky side on one side and then the matte label on the other, and it will allow the item to vibrate without smacking. So this here it's like about 1/8 of an inch thick. I have silenced this on both sides, front and back of the amp. I know, sorry, it looks like spaghetti over here, but I'll be tucking all that up and cleaning it up later. But if you look right here, this whole part rattles, the plastic on the metal. Now, granted, the seat will hold this tight. I want to make sure that I've got that taken care of. So I unscrewed the whole bottom panel, all those T40s, and I'm going to lift this up and soundproof wherever the plastic hits the metal, and hopefully that will give us a rock solid sound without any, or at least with minimal vibration, so you can hear bass rather than rattle. Wish me luck. So here's the material I was telling you about. It's called the boom mat. It has this nice plastic layer here that separates and becomes a whole big sticky thing, and I'm going to be slicing it this way to give me as much as I can to make contact, as much contact as I can between the plastic and the metal under the seat.